Hi guys, good evening. Today is 2nd of March 2022. I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. I'm founder and chief mentor at StockPro. So guys, in case you have any query regarding stock market, you can reach out to my team at stockproonline.com, which is my website, and the phone number is given out here, right? So I'm going to talk about today a stock which I felt is really nice and which is actually a kind of creation of a women entrepreneur. When it relates to women entrepreneur, I feel very, very proud and very excited to talk about it. So let me just take you to the slideshow. I'm going to ask you, like, my question right now here is this right time to invest in Nykaa? Is this right time to invest in Nykaa? Right? Nykaa was, when Nykaa ने अपना IPO launch किया था, it was a super duper success, and it was almost 89% people times subscribed and had a bumper listing from at 2000, and from 2000 it went till about 2500, and from there it has just been falling down, and right now it touched a bottom of 1200. So the question is it right time to invest in Nykaa? Will it further go down, or from here can it go up? So we're going to discuss in detail what can be expected and what is the company like. So Nykaa is an e-commerce platform for beauty, skincare, and cosmetic products. And Faguni Nair started it in 2012 when she noticed a huge gap in beauty products in India and wanted to open a genuine place for it. So Faguni, being an investor banker, knew the intricacies of dealing with finances for investment in a business. She stayed away from foreign money and she raised only domestic funding. The first phase of her business started with the development of the site, employing the core team and creating an experience for the customers. The second phase gave importance to operations and technology and getting the genuine products to the store and to customers, offering them a seamless transaction. Along with working online, it further widened its reach by having its own inventory space in Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore. तो होता क्या है कि in the cosmetic business, because one is dealing with skin and hair, which are very very sensitive, right? Because आप कभी भी जाते हो तो अपनी स्किन केयर के लिए जाते हो या बालों के ट्रीटमेंट के लिए जाते हो ज्यादातर, या आई मेकअप के लिए जाते हो, तो व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट दैट द प्रोडक्ट दैट बीइंग यूज्ड इज ओरिजिनल प्रोडक्ट. नहीं तो क्या होगा, आपके स्किन पे रिएक्शन हो जाएगा या आपके बालों में एडवर्स रिएक्शन हो जाएगा. तो इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि प्रोडक्ट, ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट जो है ओरिजिनल और नॉन एक्सपायर्ड होने चाहिए. बट होता क्या है कि अगर आप किसी भी ब्यूटी सैलून में जाते हो, नॉर्मली दे डोंट केयर अबाउट इट, राइट? दे विल probably have a duplicate of L'Oreal or some other because they will be cheaper. So to avoid the cost, beauty salons sometimes use duplicate products. So here there was a catch. You know what Falguni did? She acquired all the original products in her own warehouses, right? And she created her own inventory. In November 2021, Nykaa witnessed a blockbuster IPO with its share being 81.78 times subscribed, and market capitalization of Nykaa recorded at 1 lakh crore in Nykaa's giant debut. Furthermore, Nykaa's valuation also climbed to 13 billion in its debut. Nykaa's consolidated profit of rupees 1.2 crore for the quarter ending September 2021 is down 95% from rupees 27 crore reported in the same quarter last year, and 69% down compared with the June quarter. So there has been some slump in the earnings of Nykaa. But that's part of the business. Business may go up and down. So the story behind Nykaa is when Paguni used to travel abroad, she would go to these, multi-brand cosmetics like Sephora or other multi-brand beauty products outlets. She would find people educating women that what product to be used, कौन सा product use करना चाहिए ladies को, कौन सा brand use करना चाहिए और brand में कौन सा shade use करना चाहिए. And she found that this is nothing but empowering women. And what she also said, she said, I wanted to replicate that in India. A multi-brand retailer selling the best beauty, plus a lot of education. So Falguni says that I wanted to replicate that in India. A multi-brand retailer selling the best beauty, plus a lot of education to help customers. I wanted to stand for those women who want to be beautiful for themselves, not for men or other women. Indian women were ready for that, and that's why they related to Nykaa. It was a type of empowerment. That is what Falguni says. And I think what a beautiful thought by a woman for other women, thought of empowering other women, and that is what clicked. That is how Nykaa became what it is. And I think the name itself says Nykaa. Nykaa means the leading actress, and we all women are leading actress of our own lives, isn't it? And not only that, the leading actress of our entire family drama, isn't it? So then what Faguni says that stresses on the need for women to come out of their shells and be confident about handling both professional and personal lives with equal panache. She says that if a woman with strong determination and willpower aims to do something, she will definitely achieve it. I think a very, very powerful, statement, and very, very encouraging and empowering statement for women. So, Nykaa is basically an e-commerce website, and that offers beauty and wellness products from all leading brands, including Lakme, Kaya Skin, L'Oreal, etc. So, the secret of success, Nykaa entered the market solely focused on beauty and fashion-based products, while other large players like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal, ShopClus target large varieties of goods. So here, the focus is very clear. It's the beauty products and the beauty apparels or fashion products. And then further, Nykaa's strategy depends on the content marketing for its marketing strategy. Nykaa depends on content marketing for its marketing strategy. They focus on providing high quality content to showcase the global trends, generate traffic on the website, and also use email marketing. And if we now consider what the Nykaa's business segments are, the top segment for Nykaa is basically beauty and personal care, which accounts for about 84% of the revenue. And the second highest revenue generator for them is the Nykaa fashion, which is basically apparel and the accessories. And that counts for about 16%. Nykaa has acquired 3 companies, which are 𝐷𝐞𝐬𝐻 Wellness, Pipa.Vella, and 20 Dresses. Now, here I want to come, like I don't want to go more details about, Nykaa, but just I want to read out the challenges that Nykaa has. Now, first challenge is that they are facing. They have a case against them, which has been filed by L'Oreal Paris, which is basically a French cosmetic giant. And the second is being the latecomer in the cosmetic market, Nykaa has to battle numerous professional players like 𝐼𝐡𝐚𝐭, and Mantra are some of the biggest players operating in Nykaa's market. Besides, it also needs to create a USP in the fashion. So fashion industry is where they need to still pick up. There's a huge scope lying over there, but still, as of now, they're combating with AGO and Mintra. And second biggest thing is that this case that has been filed by L'Oreal. Now these are the two cons as of now in the market about Nykaa. And let's come down to the fundamental analysis of Nykaa. First, that the market cap is 65,172 crores. Current price is roughly about 1375, and high and low, 52-week high and low is 2574 and low is 1219. Stock PE ratio is extremely high. That's the biggest concern that I have as of now. Book value is 13.2, dividend yield is 0, ROC is 14%, ROE is 15.6%, and face value is 1%. If I compare it with its peers, right, which is Zomato, InfoEdge 197, IndiaMart, Just Dial, the PE ratio is astonishingly high. That's a very, very big concern for me as of now. If you all understand what is being high PE means, please write it in the comment box, because having a high PE is not a good indication, right? Now, if you see the cash from operating activity has increased from -79 to -100 to 6, and now it stands at 150 crores, which is a positive sign, right? Operating profit margins have been pretty low, which need to improve, right? But what happens, when the company is pretty young, they have expansion plans. And I'm sure with their expansion plans, they will be able to produce much better returns. So the future plans is basically they're expanding, they're aiming at expanding in the offline business, and they're almost planning 180 stores by 2024. So this is what I had to share about Nykaa. Now we come down to its technicals. We talked about its fundamentals, what are the challenges, what is the sphere in which they are operating, and now we're going to talk about the fundamentals. So let me take you to the graph, and from there we will be talking about the fundamentals. And here is the graph of Nykaa. So if you see here, it was actually launched somewhere around in November 10, right? From its launch at 2000, it stayed away, went in next few days to 2563. And after that, it stayed there for almost like 4 days, and then there is a decline that started. It kept on going down and down and down. And now for the last 5 days, it is kind of consolidating, right? And the kind of price that it had today, which is open equal to low, that is kind of an indication for me that probably the buyers have entered into the stock, right? Now, what do I expect? What are going to be my stop losses and what is going to be my target? I'm not giving a stop loss in this particular company, this particular stock. You have to accumulate more if it goes down to 1200, right? So you have to do pyramiding. You buy small amount right away. Then if it goes down at 1200, you can further add some more quantity, or it crosses 1600, you can add some more quantity. So what I'm saying here, my price, how much more can it go down? If suppose it doesn't continue going up tomorrow, then what can I expect from this stock? It may go further down till about 1200 or maximum 1000. That's the last price that I expect it to go down. But where it can go if it goes in the upper direction. So first target, if it starts moving tomorrow in the upper direction, next couple of days I expect it to cross 1600, then 1900, then 2100, and after that 2500. If it crosses this barrier of 2571, I'm expecting a target of 3000 rupees, but may not be in recent future, maybe say another 1 year or so. So this is a long-term stock that I'm giving for investment, and I feel the fundamentals are good, the company's policies are right, the space in which they're going to operate is going to be a very comfortable space, which is the beauty product, and there is continuous demand for the beauty products. And as women are getting more and more women are getting empowered, they will be using more and more product, and hence I can foresee that the company is going to be multiplying the revenue, and definitely will be profitable and make us earn good money as well. So whenever a very good stock is available at the cheap valuation, it's time for us to do investment. So get ready and think about it. But before you invest, please go through the fundamentals. Please go through have your own understanding. Please decide how much quantity you would like to buy. Please do not put all your money in one stock. With this, I'm signing off. And if you like the content, if you like what I'm making for you all, then you please like, share, and subscribe with your all friends. Thank you. Bye bye. See you with next video tomorrow. All the best.